All right, folks, here we are. Kind of a weird afternoon. There's a line of rain out there. Some models have it coming in and smacking, some have it missing. It's been calm all day. There's a wind picking up a little bit. As you can see, the water's moving a little east to west out there. So I don't know, we'll see. I'm just gonna come out here and chuck around. I have not been out here in a while. So just thought it would be nice to get out. I had something. Little pike. Oh, and he came off. Stinker. Can I anchor here? I don't think I can. Okay. There he is, little pike. They caught his gill somehow. Shoot. And there he goes. Okay, so he took off, but yeah, he's injured. Oh no. Man. I feel bad. It was a good hit though. I actually felt the hit finally today.